Hi guys, my name is Joao Gabriel Rocha. I am with my brother here, and I show you one position, the calf lock. Okay, this position have one story, and the first time that I used this position in one tournament, because my opponent is level 1 in the wrestling, and I know that I don't fight with him in wrestling and no gi. This is no gi word. And 2 years ago, and I don't want fight with him in wrestling and stand up, And I pull the guard, and I know the guys from wrestling is don't know too much about the knee locks and foot locks, and because this I think about this position and I submission this guy after that. Okay, let's go. Close guard, okay? And stand up, okay? Now, I pass my hands here between his legs, okay? But close of this foot, okay? I don't need grip. I just should put my hands here for help me for move my hip in the second step, okay? I open the guard, my knee in this direction. I want to be my knee in the opposite direction, okay? And because this, I put my hands here too for help me for I move my hip here, all right? And I put my knee in, okay? Now, another leg, I use like one pendulum and pass over his head, okay, here, and come for his knee line here, okay, and I just grip his parent, okay, and come for him, okay. He don't come for me. I come for him, okay? I follow him in this position, okay? Now, I change my grip, his parent, and I grip my another hand here. Up, Pedro. Look, here, all right? And wherever the grip, do you like more? Okay? I like more that, okay? Now, I put a little bit pressure and hand tap. Guys, be careful in this position because this position destroy knees. That's true, okay? And sometimes, I come here, I push him for me, and I pass my leg over my foot, and I do one triangle. It's the same movement. The one triangle right here. Listen, and I put a little bit pressure and tap quick. Okay,